Vegetables: arrowroot, artichoke, asparagus, beets or beetroot, bell pepper, bok choy, broad beans or fava beans, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, carrot, cassava, cauliflower, celery, corn, cucumber, daikon, eggplant, fennel, garlic, green beans, ginger, jalapeno, jicama, kale, leeks, lettuce, mushroom, okra, olive, onion, palm heart, parsnip, peas, potato, pumpkin, radicchio, radish, plural, radishes, rutabaga, scallions, shallots, snow peas, squash, spinach, sweet potato, tomatillo, tomato, turnip, yam, and finally, zucchini. Great job! Now go on our channel for more English learning videos and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!